Number 12 is an application of finances that you can use with exponents. And there's two different formulas we're going to apply here. What we want to do is calculate the interest or the amount that we have in our account after each of these situations and see which one gives us the most money in our account. So in this case, we're going to find the amount after the investment has been done, and then we'll see how much money we have at the end. So the first thing for part A, it's got the word semi-annually. So if you see compounded annually, semi-annually, monthly, yearly, something like that, that's using this formula. So you want to make sure you have these formulas. These formulas must be memorized. They're not going to be given to you on the test. So here's the first formula. This one is the regular compounding formula. The n is the number of times compounded per year. Semi means 2, so 2 times a year. So let's go ahead and put the information in that's been provided here. So your original amount of investment is $1,000. That's a 1, number 1. Now the rate, you want to make sure you change it into a decimal. So that's going to be 0.08. The most common mistake is people put 0.8, but 0.8 is 80%. This is 8%. So 0.08 over 2. Again, 2 because it's got that keyword semi-annually. So you have to know also quarterly is 4, monthly is 12, weekly 52, and so forth. You want to know those other ones as well. And then there are years. You just put 3 years in there for that one. To do this one, it's better to do the part inside parentheses first. So if you do 1 plus 0.08 divided by 2, you get 1.04 inside, and that's raised to a power of 6. And then we're just going to go ahead and put this into the calculator. So you want to do the caret key to get that on your calculator and put that in, and you're going to get 1265 and 32 cents. So $1,265.32 you get for option A. Let's do now option B. Now option B, we got the word continuously in there, so we have to use a different formula. So here's the one that you want to use this time. The PERT formula, A equals PE the RT. Okay, you're going to use this one whenever you got the word continuously in there. Alright, so I have $1,000 I'm putting in there. I have E raised to the rate. Now this is a different rate in this one, 7.9%. If I write that as a decimal, looks like that, 0.079. That's for 3 years, so I'll put a 3 in there for T. And then I want to put this into my calculator, so I can start by working out the exponent on that. So if I do the exponent, that's going to give me 0.237 when I multiply these two numbers together. And then finally I'll put this in my calculator. Remember, this is not your regular caret key. You got to use the E caret, which is above your natural log key. When you put that in there, you get 1267.44. So this is an unusual case. Even though this actually had a smaller interest rate, a lower interest rate, but yet we still ended up giving us more money as a result. So lower interest rates doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get less interest in this case. We see here that we actually get a little bit more interest. So the answer that you would put for this problem, you're actually going to answer B.